In continuation of our previous episodes where we were discussing about lifestyle disorders, let us continue to identify more lifestyle disorders. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, is a common condition in which long-term force of blood against your artery walls is high enough that it may eventually cause health problems such as heart disease. This is one of the most common uh, condition nowadays among common public. The next one is type 2 diabetes, uh, also called diabetes mellitus. Used to be known only at an adult onset, but it has two types, type 1 and type 2. Both type 1 and type 2 can begin during childhood or adulthood as well. Type 2 is more common in older adults, but increase in the number of children with obesity has led to more cases of type 2 diabetes in younger people. Uh, Often seen type 2 diabetes onset in adults nowadays is about the age of 32, uh, which is also an alarming condition, and WHO is seriously looking into how to manage this disease. Also can become an epidemic in the following days. The next one is a stroke. A stroke occurs when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted or reduced, depriving brain tissue of oxygen and nutrients. Within minutes, brain cells begin to die. Symptoms of a stroke include difficulty with language, including speaking or understanding speech, reading or writing, memory loss or thinking difficulties, and difficulty controlling muscles in the mouth and throat. So, these are some of the common lifestyle disorders. In the upcoming episodes, we will deal with each one of these in detail and try to understand how to mitigate the risk. Thank you.